He's weird.
Yeah, I'm not. Pretty weird.
You missed us doing a few jumps. Sorry, my iPod has like it's got like no gigabyte left. We're gonna move on to the next jump now.
Jesus. Spider-Man is dead.
We're gonna move on to the next jump.
We found like this cool spot here. Oh, John, go this way. Look at this tree. Look at this. Go this way. Here, Jimmy, give me a boost. Will you give me a boost up?
You know how much gigabyte I have left.
Oh, your valleys are covered in shade.
Sweet.
Get up.
Go.
John, come on, maybe go this way.
I can't swear because I'm doing.
Sean, I'm right above you. Sean,
We're not going that way.
I said the F word. Come on.
When's the next jump, Dylan?
We haven't come in this way. Yeah. We haven't do this. Yeah, go this way. Sean, sorry, lad. Sean. What?
Come on. No.
Get me down. Jump down. Here, Sean, go this way.
Nah, actually, I'm gonna go the safe way.
Go this way as well.
The camera, Jimmy. The camera.
Oh, Sean, seesaw.
See.
Saw.
See.
Saw. It's not that good seesaw. Well, it's not really a seesaw.
It's a stick.
Look.
My turn.
We're going to tear down the ground.
Whee!
Oh, Sean, get me. Oh. Fuck.
Flat to the ground. You saw failure, guys. You saw failure. Yeah. Yeah.
Sean fell in water.
Where do we go now?
Somewhere. Sean, Dylan, we're on the other side of that electric fence. Windbush.
Windbush! Windbush!
We
Windbush!
live in the north, but now we must be in the south. Ah, it's spicy. Grab it. Spicy.
Why would I grab it? I'm just after falling with yours.
Ooh.
Come on, guys. My iPod's just after saying 20%.
Right now, just go.
Come on, let's go.
Let's stop recording.
No. Let's keep going to a jump. There's a good jump over there, is it?
Dylan, the water's over that way. We were on that side the last time. I know, we're on this side now. The last time we got from here, we just all started to wrestle.
Nice thing to do.
So it was me, Dylan, our friend Caleb, and his little brother here.
Who won?
Well, we just picked them for
RKO!
Oh, yeah. RKO. Tombstone. Okay, let's hurry up this jump.
Let's go, Dylan. I'm all about the pace, no troubles.
Oh, no bad at this.
No trace. No trace, because you're all about the pace, There's no jump. Be a up. Oh shit.
Woo.
I'm not running rolls over this.
Sure. I couldn't even back this flag. Let's go this way now. We're heading off this direction now. Let's go look at the leak. Yeah. And we do live in Ireland. Yeah, we live in Ireland.
Don't tell them where we live.
No. How did they find us in the middle of Ireland?
Yeah, Ireland, that's some clue.
Jimmy, did you tell them that you're from Ireland? Yes, I did. Okay.
We're from County Cork.
No, we're not. Yeah, we're from County Cork.
County Cork.
That's not what our jumpers say, Sean.
Corky.
Me and Dylan are wearing County Cork. Yeah, we're wearing Fermanagh jersey, Sean.
Shut up.
Shut up, Sean. We're wearing like Newtown jerseys under it.
We're not wearing these, it's just, well, we are wearing them, but we aren't from Fermanagh. We are from Fermanagh.
Yeah. We're from Fermanagh. Wink, wink.
We're not from Fermanagh. We're from Cork. We're visiting guests, so we decided to go down the field.
Our cousin, my cousin, Sean Kerr. It'd be good if we like hadn't ever failed.
No.
Right.
Guys, we live in Fermanagh.
This doesn't look failed. See him.
We live in Fermanagh, Newtown Butler, and Galoon Gardens. This is where our friend Dylan's house is, so like... Oh, sure.
Look, see this. There's like a spider laying eggs in here.
Let's get a close up. Spider eggs!
Look it! Spider, the big spider, mama spider.
Put it down. It'll bite you down. It'll bite you.
Okay.
Come on, let's go shop.
Look at this.
Mom, we've been on for 6 minutes and we haven't found a jump. Right guys, we might stop recording until we find a jump. Would that be a plan? Yeah. Here. Right, my iPod's better on my battery, so like...
We'll stop the video here and we'll restart when we find a jump. Part 3 will be when we find a jump. See yous.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.